I've been thinking for a long time about how to create a red wine with a white wine sparkle, not leaving 2 weeks for wild yeast. I want a noble and cold process right now. I also remembered Jesus, but I always find my way.
I've hunted the old books. Forget tradition. I'll show you how to make the perfect red wine on day one.
No stems, no leaves, no dirt, no bugs, just perfect berries. Like Venus drugs, I handpick every single one you see. This isn't winemaking, it's high-tech surgery. Only the best, the top tier, the pure, flawless foundation, that's for sure. The juices roaring, the crimson rivers pouring. No maceration, this is my creation. Call it instant red, the color's insane. We get it all on day one, no pain. I fermented cold like a crisp white wine, breaking all the rules and it tastes divine. Red body, white soul, hear the thunder clap. This unique sparkle puts me on the map. No waiting game, no oxidative stress. This is my method, my road to success. Analytical scale, precision to the gram. Yeast, nutrients, and sugar. Yes, I am. No sulfur needed. That's the coward's way. I torch the steel tank with a propane spray. Fire and fury, sterilization's key. The old winemaker's got nothing on me. And for the racking, no O2, no way. I use an ozone atmosphere, my O3. It disinfects, refreshes, makes it clean. The most unique damn wine you've ever seen. They say I'm crazy, but they haven't tried this brutal flavor with nothing to hide. Call it instant red, the color's insane. We get it all on day one, no pain. I ferment it cold like a crisp white wine, breaking all the rules and it tastes divine. Red body, white soul, hear the thunder clap. This unique sparkle puts me on the map. It's still young, aging till the spring. But the taste, it's brutal cheese.